Guys, I have a news for you. I have I have no video for this week, and the thing is, we are going somewhere, and I have no freaking idea what I'm gonna do because I know I promised you guys I will be constant and I will post video every week, and I want to post, but I haven't shoot anything yet. I have written down some points in my diary, but I haven't done anything yet, and we are going somewhere, like right now. And I have no freaking idea what I'm gonna do. Thing is, so I'm not gonna be home until next week, I guess, and that's the scene. And I can't shoot without my home. I can't shoot at anywhere, and should I vlog it? But the thing is, I don't want to feel awkward. I haven't vlogged when I am with my family, so I don't know. I will figure out something. I don't know, but I don't know how will I do that. यार मैंने पहले कुछ ना सोच के रखना चाहिए था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा, तो मैं पहले से कुछ शूट करके रखती. ये ना लाइक अभी प्लान बना है, एंड मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, एंड आई वांट टू पोस्ट दिस संडे, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम गोना पोस्ट. सो या प्लीज़ ये संडे के लिए बेयर कर लो. आई प्रॉमिस आई विल बी कॉन्स्टेंट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट संडे. Hope so. So yeah, that's the news, that's the thing. I hope you guys understand. And I don't know what I'm doing right now. I just start the camera and started telling you guys. I am messed up. Enough ready, and now we're heading out. Hey guys, guess what? Where I am? मैं अपने गाँव में आई हूँ, and it's been 2 days. Anyways, that's my home. Actually, मेरे दादा दादी का घर, if you can see. And yeah, that's the scene. I am here for a wedding, a close wedding actually. मेरे cousin की शादी है, and yeah, that's the scene. Like Corona वाली शादी. And guess what? I forgot to vlog yesterday. I mean, yeah, मैं ready हुई थी. लाइक कल हल्दी थी, सो यस आई वॉज रेडी, मतलब और सब कुछ था. आई ट्राइड टू व्लॉग, आई स्वेयर आई ट्राइड टू व्लॉग, बट एवरीवन वाज लुकिंग एट मी लाइक आई एम एन एलियन. लाइक सीरियसली, they were like staring at me with a weird looks, and I was like, okay, let's stop it here. So yeah, I couldn't vlogged it, and tomorrow is the main big wedding day, so I'm thinking of having like some footage of tomorrow, and let's see how it goes. Anyways, I'm missing my home so badly, like so badly. I'm counting my days that literally it's my second day, and tomorrow in evening we'll be at home finally. Like finally. Oh god, I'm missing my home so much. And yeah, that's the scene. And another thing I'm missing so badly is my sunset and my terrace. I mean, seriously, now I'm used to it. Like in this quarantine, I will like, I am obsessed with my sunset from my terrace, and it looks so pretty. Anyways, this coconut tree behind me is pretty cool. Like I clicked some pictures. Me and Mama clicked some pictures here, and it's really like turned out cool. So we'll meet tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm all set for today, and that's the outfit of the day. And अब मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ. Like it's my last day here, and yep, we are going home today. So yep. अब yeah, that's the situation. Anyways, bye. Talk to you later. Anyways, you know what? ऐसे भी मैंने ऐसे डिसाइड किया ही था कि आई एम गोना व्लॉग, जिसको देखना है देखे, आई डोंट केयर. तो हाँ, मतलब मैं बना ही रही हूँ, और सम पीपल आर स्टिल स्टेयरिंग एट मी, बट यू नो व्हाट, आई एम नॉट गिविंग अ एफ. क्योंकि मम्मा ने मुझे बोला कि लाइक तो क्यों सोच रहे हो उनके बारे में, अगर तुझे वीडियो बनाना है तो बना देना, लाइक व्हाई डू यू केयर. एंड आई वाज लाइक, वेल या, शी इज़ राइट, व्हाई डू आई केयर. सो या, एक्चुअली मैं अभी इसीलिए व्लॉग कर रही हूँ बिकॉज सब यहाँ से वहाँ भाग रहे हैं और मेरा यहाँ पे कुछ काम नहीं है, लिटरली लाइक कुछ भी नहीं. आई एम गेटिंग सो बोर्ड यू नो लाइक. सब यहाँ से वहाँ भाग रहे हैं, वेडिंग सेरेमनी अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुई एंड लाइक खाना भी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ. तो मतलब मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे पास अभी करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. बस मैं जल्दी से अभी रेडी हो गई, सब आने लगे बिकॉज इसलिए. एंड यप आई गेट रेडी. मैंने थोड़े बहुत फ़ोटोज़ खींचे. अच्छा है बाय द वे, आज थैंकफुली अच्छा मौसम है. एंड या दैट्स वाई माई पिक्चर्स क्लिक प्रिटी कूल फॉर माई ग्राम यू नो. Yeah, that's it. I will update you guys in a bit. So सब अभी ख़त्म हुआ. Wedding was kind of cool, but मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ. मेरी आवाज़ बैठ गई है. And like it was cool, बहुत मज़ा आया, but still like you know I'm tired as hell. Like seriously, you can't see that in my face, but I'm super tired. And yeah, we are heading out to my home. So yeah, that's the end of my vlog and I hope you like it. I mean yeah, I had kind of fun shooting this, like seriously it was fun and it was for the first time. It wasn't as I expected, but yeah, I tried my best. And yeah, please tell me if you want me to do more vlogs like this. I would love to do this. It's really fun. Like yeah, that's the end of our trip because we are going right now and I'm finally going home. So yeah, I'm happy and yeah, we'll meet super soon. Until then, bye.